If you are a corporate girly and you want to learn how to do your makeup, then this video is for you. First, you want to apply your moisturizer. The purpose of the moisturizer is to ensure that your face is moist before you apply your primer. This primer prevents you from sweating a lot, so you want to apply to that a part of your face that you know you sweat a lot, like your nose, your upper lip, your cheek, your under eye, just area where you know that you sweat a lot. And now you want to go in with your dark shade of foundation. That is, if you are dark or if you are light, you can go with your dark light shade of foundation. So those foundation are the two type of foundation that I have that are the darkest. So you apply it all over your face, your cheeks, your all the corners of your face, like the corner of your nose, upper lip, your cheek, your jawline, and everywhere. And when you are applying your foundation, ensure you are blending into the skin. That is, do not drag your foundation, but rather dab it into the skin. Dab it into the skin, and ensure your sponge or your beauty blender, whichever way you call it, ensure your sponge is moist and damp. See how smooth my blending is. Then you want to go with your concealer. Ensure you blend your concealer while also dabbing it in as well. I don't have a very dark shade of concealer, so this is what I have and this is what I'm using, and yet I can still achieve whatever shade of highlighting that I want. You want to ensure you are also blending on your forehead, your upper lip, your chin, and under your eyes. These are very, very important because they are the T-zone. And next up, you want to go in with your blush. So while you're applying your blush, ensure you are applying your blush on your cheekbone. Do not apply under the cheekbone. On your cheekbone, and there. Also, just in case you are confused sometimes as to where to apply, ensure that you smile a bit to figure it out. But people don't actually smile anymore to figure it out. But if you're still confused, you can always apply. Also, you want to go in to powder your highlighted area, that is your forehead, your under eye, and your jawline. Then going with powdering your face or your jaw, your cheeks, your forehead, your eyebrow, and your neck as well. Ensure you are powdering areas that are needed to be powdered. To avoid harsh lines, ensure you also powder your highlighted area and your blush and your contour area. Next, you want to go with powdering your eye area, that is where you're supposed to be applying your eyeliner, your mascara, and then doing your eyebrows. So after applying my creamy blush, I also go in sometimes to apply with my powder blush just to make the blush pop up a bit before I also blend it out again with the powder. Then you go in with your eye, your mascara, your eyeliner, and then your lip. These are simple steps and quick to do makeup before you go to your offices, your work, or anywhere. Since you are going to the office, you don't want to be applying too much glamorous lip combo or whatever, so ensure you go with your nude if that is what's gonna fit you, or you're going with your all red, whatever, if that is what's gonna fit you. One thing I love to do after doing my lip combo is to gloss my lips up. Yes, I want them glossy, but if you don't want that, if you want a matte lip combo, then you can just leave it this way. I also love it that way, but I love glossy lips. So since I won't be doing too much on the eyebrow, I sometimes like to do my eyebrow very light. That is, doing my eyebrows, just brushing it up and then doing little things here and there, and then going with your finishing powder. That is, apply powder to necessary places that you're supposed to apply. That is like, doing a brief touch up here and there to ensure your face is popping up. Yay! And that is the end. Yep. That is it. So this kind of makeup is simple and quick makeup that you can do to go to the office. I don't know. I mean, if you wear this to make up to office, it will look too serious, right? Nah, I don't think so. You're welcome. Bye. Ensure you subscribe, like, and comment and share. Bye.